Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome to this space. I post 2 brand new nail designs every week, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post the new video. Today I will share with you this step-by-step tutorial of how to create this gorgeous nail art design. So let's get started. So to start with, as always, I have prepared my nails by applying a good layer of base coat. And then I went ahead and applied 2 even layers of this beautiful yellow nail polish. Let your base dry off completely and then use a toothpick or the smallest nail art brush to apply diagonal lines of different colors like so. Start by applying the first line from where it divides your nail base into equal halves diagonally like so. For this design we will be using a dry marble technique, so while applying the lines using the brush or the toothpick, just be generous with the nail polish. For these lines, I chose a combination of dark purple, blue, pink as well as the base color yellow. You can choose whichever colors you like. Just create the lines one after the other until you reach the edge of the nail. Now comes the fun part. Starting from just below the first diagonal line in the middle of your nail, drag your toothpick or the nail art brush towards the edge very gently. It's going to create a fun little pattern, as you can see. Now you can leave it there if you like it, but I just felt like going one step further, and this time I started my dragging process from the edge going inwards towards the first diagonal line in the middle of the nail. And there we have such a cool nail design pattern created in no time. I'll quickly do the same on rest of my nails and I'll join you back in a jiffy. And finally, don't forget to clean your edges and apply a good quality top coat to make sure your manicure lasts for a longer time and it looks shinier. I love dry marble technique for the fact that it is so easy and you can get such cool patterns using this technique, and I'm so pleased with this one as well. What do you think of this nail design? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Please make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on this circle, and if you wish to check out my other easy DIY nail art ideas, click on these boxes.